If you're checking battery consumption on your Android phone and you see something called One UI Home eating up your battery, you're probably wondering, what is One UI Home? I don't have an app like that anywhere on my phone, so why is it eating battery? The answer is One UI Home is Samsung's default home screen launcher, pre-installed on every Samsung Galaxy smartphone and tablet. So your home screen, everything you see here, the way these apps work, the way you navigate from one page to another, the way your app drawer works, adding widgets, wallpaper customization, navigation, all of that is part of One UI Home. It's basically Samsung's own layer built on top of stock Android, letting them design their own look and feel for how everything works on your home screen, while still being powered by Android as their operating system. So when you see it listed in the battery consumption menu like this, and you're wondering why it shows up here, it's because every time you use your phone or navigating the home screen, you're using One UI Home. I'll agree, it is a little confusing to see it listed here as a separate app, since it doesn't really feel or look like a traditional app to the user. But nothing to worry about. This is very standard on Samsung phones. It's an essential component that makes everything on your home screen and app drawer work. You can't uninstall it, since it's a core component of your Samsung phone. If you go to Settings, then Apps, and choose Default Apps, you'll see a section for Home App. This is where One UI Home is set. You can also download third-party launchers from the Google Play Store, and come here to switch to one of those instead. I don't have any downloaded. I'm not really a fan, since it changes the entire look and feel of your home screen, settings, menus, all of it. But some people like them, since they allow customization that standard One UI Home sometimes doesn't. Anyway, that is One UI Home, and what it does on your Samsung phone. Click that like button if this video was helpful, share with a friend, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.